All right, what's going on, guys? Adam here from AtoZbodyfitness, and today we're going to look at a shoulder exercise that's called full moons.
Okay, so this shoulder exercise is called full moons because of the way that the dumbbells are moving in a circular motion. It's like you're creating the shape of a moon. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold them down in front of you, keep your hands straight out, and just proceed to make a full circle motion. And pretty much
what's going on, guys? I just wanted to take a quick break from the video and say thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video and showing support. It really honestly is appreciated. And also, if you're somebody who's been struggling with weight loss or to put on muscle or to learn even how to exercise properly, then you can actually head over to my website. I have a membership area there that you can join. It's made for people that need a direction in order to get to the goals that they want, but don't know what direction to take. It's got a host of how-to videos, mindset videos, nutritional videos, and educational videos, and is set up for your success. If you're interested and you want to be able to get on this, then you can drop a comment in the link below, or you can click a link in the description and we can take it from there.
Pretty much meet them at the top, just above the front part of your head, like I'm doing in the video. Here's a side profile for you to look at. Now you can bring them straight above your head. I like to keep them a little bit in front because it puts a little bit more pressure and strain on the front part of the shoulder, which is what we want. Here's a closer look at a side profile to see how the shoulder moves. And just remember, always move out, up, and away when doing any shoulder exercise.
All right, guys, thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you thought of the video. Click like, subscribe, comment, and share. Comment down below if there's anything you can relate to, and I'll see you guys around.